In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the auto sign-in feature in Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to apply this change to all websites or just for your Google account, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring your browsing experience is tailored to your preferences. Let's start by focusing on how to disable auto sign-in for all websites when using Chrome. Begin by opening the Chrome browser on your device. Once it's open, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see a three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with a range of options. From here, you'll want to select Settings. By doing so, you'll open the main settings menu for Chrome, where you can customize your browsing experience. Now, over on the left-hand side, you're going to notice a menu. From this menu, find and click on Autofill. This section is where Chrome manages its autofill services, including passwords, payment methods, and more. Under the Autofill section, click on Passwords Manager. This is where you'll control how Chrome handles password storage and automatic sign-ins. To disable auto sign-in for all sites, locate the Sign in Automatically option. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply click on the toggle to turn it off. This change means you will need to manually sign in to every site, enhancing your control over logins and passwords. Next, let's focus on how to turn off auto sign-in specifically for your Google account. Start by opening Chrome once more and clicking the familiar three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings to bring up the configuration options again. This time, find You and Google on the left side. Once you click there, look for Sync and Google Services. This section handles how your Google account data syncs with Chrome. Here, you'll find a toggle labeled Allow Chrome Sign-In. This is the option that links your Google account to the Chrome browser itself. To disable this feature, switch the toggle to the off position. However, it's important to understand what this means. By turning off Chrome sign-in, you'll be signed out of your Google account within the browser, and syncing for bookmarks, history, and other data will stop. This change can really enhance your privacy and control over your information. But remember, you may need to restart your browser for these settings to fully take effect. And there you have it, simple steps to control auto sign-in settings in Google Chrome. Whether for all websites or just your Google account, these changes give you more autonomy over your browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.